Hello! Today you will learn how to find a provider in an out-of-area network for a Horizon insurance plan. Let's start. First, open your browser and visit the PSI Consultants website at www.psi-consultants.com. Click on the About PSI tab and then click on Affiliate Carriers. There, under our affiliate carriers, you can explore other options such as medical summaries of benefits and coverage, prescription drug information, and popular laboratories. Click on Blue Card Blue Shield PPO. Please note, only Horizon members with Blue Card have access to out-of-area network providers. Look for the PPO briefcase on your ID card. Once you are on the National Doctor and Hospital Finder page, you will be prompted to choose a location and plan. First, enter the zip code or town and state that you would like to search for providers in. Then, enter the first three letters of your ID card before 3HZN or select a plan from the list of Blue Card plans. Once you have confirmed your selection, you can begin your search. You can search for doctors by name, doctors by specialty, places by name, or places by specialty. Not sure what you're looking for? You can hit Search All and type in your search inquiry, or you can select Advanced Search, which will ask for specifics. Once you hit Search, you will be able to view all providers within your search requirements in your area. Once your search results pop up, you can narrow down results on the left-hand side by specifying distance, languages spoken, specialty, and more. Once you have your search results, you could create a directory of providers in your area. Once the directory has generated, you will have the option to email the PDF results to you, or you can save or print the results. When you're done, just click the button, I'm done. Still not what you're looking for? On the National Doctor and Hospital Finder dashboard, there are more options so you can learn about the latest health news, find immediate medical care, locate doctors worldwide, or even shop for health insurance. Do you have any additional questions? Contact PSI Consultants today. Providing excellent service since 1985, PSI Consultants will help you do it right from the start.